Before mentioning the healthcare effect of the magnetic ultralong wave, let us perform an experiment. First, we press the switch and the device starts emitting magnetic waves. This is a magnetic sensor. The light will shine when receiving the magnetic wave and go out when leaving the magnetic field and wave. Just like we cannot leave the magnetic field of Earth and still survive. We place the device in front of the chest. Everybody can see that the magnetic wave emitted by the ultralong wave penetrates through organs, body fluid, muscle and bone. When it penetrates through cells, it will generate a secondary current called Joule's heat. When the blood is warm, it flows and clots when cold. So aches will be eased when blood flows with the movement of qi and occur when qi is obstructed. Joule's heat may penetrate through the body and reach the diseased parts to facilitate the circulation of blood. After the blood is cleared, aches will ease. Since heat may help relax the muscles, reduce inflammation and relieve pain, so it is effective in the treatment of headaches, nerve pains, arthralgia, menstrual pains, backaches, and sciatica. Let's take a look at it again. Suppose this little bottle is our blood vessel. The ultralong wave generates more than 3,000 microvibrations per minute, which may agitate the blood cells and thus facilitate circulation of the whole body. Hence, it is effective in preventing and improving hypertension, stroke, arteriosclerosis, cardiovascular blockage, venous aneurysm, hemorrhoids, and aches due to poor circulation, and numbness of the hands and feet. As a result of environmental, water and air pollution, improper diet, smoking, alcoholism, abusive usage of pigments, preservatives and pesticides, as well as the radiative harm caused by electric appliances, computers, cell phones and X-ray. Plus the effects of emotion, tension, stress and late nights. When body cells carry an atom, molecule or ion of one unpaired electron, it is called free radicals. Since its electron number is odd, it seizes the electron from others to achieve a stable state. But this damages the structure of the victim's molecule, which becomes a new free radical. Then this new one will seize electrons from others. Thus, this irremediable chain reaction may damage the cell membrane and nucleus, causing the gradual malfunction of organs. Then various kinds of diseases, cancers and aging may occur. The total length of blood vessels in the body is about 100,000 kilometers, which is like circling the Earth 2.5 times. The big blood vessel is as thick as a finger, while a fine one is only 1,000th the thickness of a hair follicle. There are two kinds of substances in the blood. One is anion, which carries the negative charge, while the other is cation, which carries the positive charge. The time needed for blood to flow from the heart via the arteries and then back to the heart via the veins is only 23 seconds. The fast-flowing anions and cations in the blood will generate electric current, which then generates the magnetic field. The magnetic field electricity of the magnetic ultralong wave can penetrate through human cells and change the intracellular charge from weak to strong. Thus, it facilitates the activation and regeneration of cells. And by the effect of the external magnetic field, it enhances the magnetic effect of electric current generated by the cations and anions in the blood and facilitates blood circulation. Hence, it may eliminate free radicals, overcome fatigue, supply vitality, relax the nerves, improve sleep, enhance strength, and strengthen organs, and thus paving the way for antioxidation, anti-aging, and anti-cancer purposes. This is a light stick. It has a line of positive and negative electrical coil respectively. They represent the positive and negative electrons in our cells. There is a bulb above, and the magnetic field electric effect of the magnetic ultralong wave may light up the bulb when it is unplugged or without batteries. Now we place a board, a piece of glass, and a book on top of the ultralong wave. Everyone can see that the magnetic wave emitted by the ultralong wave may penetrate through these insulators. And of course, our muscles, body fluid and organs. Then every cell is full of magnetic field electricity, which may facilitate the regeneration and activation of cells. Therefore, it is effective in the treatment of dermatosis, muscle necrosis, sprains, chronic internal injury, healing of post-operative incisions and trauma, or various kinds of gastric disease, liver disease, renal disease, osteohyperplasia, osteoporosis, degenerative arthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis, and SLE caused by acquired immunodeficiency. The magnetic ultralong wave may normalize the hormonal effect and balance the pH value of body fluids. Therefore, it improves diabetes significantly. If the hormones are balanced, you will be healthy, smiling all the time, optimistic, positive, energetic, highly efficient, and youthful. These unexpected miracles are so admirable. The hormonal effect is so marvelous, especially the pituitary gland. Using the magnetic ultralong wave regularly may normalize the functions of the pituitary gland and other hormones. For example, if the auxiliary thyroid is functioning normally, the concentration of calcium in the blood will be appropriate, so limbs will not tremble and no osteoporosis will occur. If the functions of insulin and surrounding tissue cells are normal, then there is no worry about diabetes. In other words, the ultralong wave regulates the incretin of the whole body and may give us good health and a long life, maintain youthfulness and delicate skin, delay aging, and make you look younger.